Assalamualaikum friends, sorry मैं 2-3 दिनों से पोस्ट नहीं कर पाया actually just to talk about the further process in that video. Now I'll explain about my experience. As always, they are getting the people. I'm sorry I'm not able to answer so many calls because I have work also. That's why I disconnected most of the calls since I started getting like more than 100 calls every day. To start with the next process. Okay, so there are so many questions that people have asked. I will clarify each question wise. Like the marriage certificate attestation, my dear, for family visit visa there is no requirement or no, it's not necessary to have your marriage certificate attested. This is first. Second is people are asking question whether we can apply for the kids. Yes, you can apply for your kids, and there is the guidelines which is mentioned on the MOPH website, how you can bring your kids and everything. The detailed explanation and everything I'll post in another video regarding the section only for the kids. Family visit visa is been issued and it will be issued to everyone, but make sure that you visit the captain. I haven't seen a case wherein people or someone has got a visit visa awarded without visiting the Garafa or any immigration center. So it's better you go to immigration and you try to meet the captain either in the morning time or in the evening time, doesn't matter, but try to meet the captain and explain to them your situation. I'm sure they will help you. Third question that people have been asking me, what is the next step after you get the visa? Okay, after you get the visa, I would say if you have an estimated time, make sure to book the ticket, book the hotel quarantine, because now it has increased. When I booked the hotel quarantine, it was 4,800 Qatari riyals for 10 days. That was for 17th of August, which is tomorrow. And so now I can see that the first day from which the hotel quarantine is available is on 29th of August. So if you feel that you will be able to get the visa or you'll be able to bring your wife on that date, book it. Otherwise the prices of hotels are increasing like 7,000, 8,000, 9,000 riyals that I've seen on the website for 10 days for Indian, Sri Lankan, other nationalities like Asian nationalities. So book the hotel quarantine and reschedule your tickets to the same date. Then as soon as you do it, you start preparing your documents for the next registration, which is Ehtraz registration. So I will guide you how I did it, and as soon as you do it, you will get the approval within 6 hours. So ideally the maximum hours is decided, that is 6 hours, but you will get like instant. I applied and I get like in few minutes, in like 3 to 4 minutes I got the approval from Ehtraz, and that document also has to be printed and uploaded, printed and carried along with the other documents while traveling. So I'll tell you stepwise what all things has to be done. For now, just book your hotel quarantine and finalize your ticket, and have all the documents printed and ready, like hotel quarantine document, the ticket. Even if you don't print the ticket, it's totally fine. Then you have your visa to be printed, and then Ehtraz application, Ehtraz approval, that entry permit. You can call it an entry permit. That also has to be printed. That you can apply once you do the PCR test. So make sure, let's say if your wife or any family member is flying on, for example, let's say 20th. So make sure that you do PCR on 18th. So 18th, 24 hours, 19th, 24 hours, 20th, 24 hours. So 18th you will do, 19th you will get the report, and 19th you upload all the documents. The documents that you require for Ehtraz entry permit, application of Ehtraz entry permit, is first PCR test, which should be negative from any of the MOPH approved ICMR centers. So you can type on the Google ICMR approved laboratories for India. I'm not sure about Sri Lanka. That you can check on the MOPH website, or you can check on the Google just by typing that MOPH approved COVID laboratories in Sri Lanka, or COVID laboratories in Philippines, or COVID laboratories in Nepal. For India, it's ICMR laboratories. So it's a government authority which through which Qatar has selected some of the laboratories wherein you can find as per your state. Like let's say if you're from Assam, or you're from Bihar, from Uttar Pradesh or Kerala or any other state whatsoever. So you can see their list of government institutions and their list of private institutions. So the before the rate for the PCR test was expensive. Now in India the rate is 800 rupees, 800 Indian rupees. If you go to a private institution, if you go to a government institution, make sure you ask them, because some of the government institutions in small states, they're taking 3 to 4 days to give the PCR report, which is not feasible for us because we have to travel within 72 hours. So I would suggest go to the government, go to the private institution, and they will charge you 800 rupees for the PCR test, and they will give you the report either same day or very next day in the morning time. So do the PCR test. Then second is you need to upload the passport for Ehtaraz application. Then you have to upload the hotel booking, and then you have to upload, there's one more document that I'm missing, PCR test, hotel booking, COVID, and the vaccination certificate. If your family is vaccinated, make sure to download from Arogya Setu. You can download your vaccination certificate. Then these 4 applications, these 4 documents has to be uploaded on the ehtaraz.gov.qa website, and along with the details of the traveling passenger. Like for my wife, I filled the name, passport, expiry date, and the travel date, and uploaded all these documents, and whether vaccinated, whether pregnant, whether recovered with COVID, these kind of basic details you have to put in. Make sure the details are correct, not to be wrong, because Qatar, they can track everything, you know that. So better to be safe rather than getting ended up with not approval of the entry permit. So once you upload all these documents, you click on submit. Within like 30 minutes, hardly 30 minutes, within 30 minutes you will get the email from Ehtaraz that your application number so and so has been approved. And once it's approved, then they will have an acknowledgement that you will have to accept and sign, like a kind of declaration. Then you sign declaration and you put the address. Now it's asking for house / another address. So therein you can put your house address where you are going to bring your wife, and the hotel address, like you can see on the hotel booking receipt, and put this and submit. And there is another document that will be shared in your email. Print that. That is the entry permit which is required, which you have to show on the airport. Now inshallah my wife is traveling today, and next video I will upload how is the process and what happens at the airport, and where you have to go and how you have to go, so that it will be easy for everyone to explain to their families. Thank you so much. All the best, and I hope everybody gets a chance to meet their family members, and everybody gets the visa. If you need any support, please follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will keep on posting the videos, latest updates regarding the MOPH, regarding the traveling, the real-time experience. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.